Hi guys, and today we are at my campground. Here's my camper. I'm gonna show you inside later, but there's nothing really to do. It's nighttime out. Yeah, as you can see, the lighting's not that good. It's because it's nighttime out, and we never filmed during the night. Besides maybe a video I've deleted in the past, but normally I don't. Normally don't. What is it called? Normally don't film during the night, so yeah. I might as well give you a tour of my camper if you would like. Okay, let's get on to this place. Okay, let's get started giving you a tour. Right now we're in the back of the campground, and as you can see, there's weird lights. There's LED lights, and if you hear any cars or anything, that's because I'm at the camper. Yeah. So first we got a nice bed set up. Pretty nice. And next we got a I'm the campground owner, and I would like to inspect your camper and make sure I can live here. No, not live here. I'm totally not live here. I totally just gotta inspect around. Totally not gonna live under here or whatever. Let me go inspect it. Okay, it was weird, but yeah, we have another bed. I don't know what that is. Yeah, and there's a closet. And we go all the way up here. Get some camper stuff, some chargers. Next, we got another bed. It's pretty nice, And I don't know what those are. But then we have all these pants. Yeah, we got all those things. So I'm gonna show you the next room. Hey, why is your toilet clogged? It's not clogged. You don't know how to flush it. Oh, can you show me? Yeah, sure. Okay. So let me go show you the other part of our camper. Or there's more. There's a lot of parts in this camper. Now we got a nice couch and stuff, and it looks pretty nice, I would say. I mean, it folds into a whole bed. And now I'm gonna come over here, and now we've got a what are you guys doing? Okay, I don't know. Then we have a table. I think this folds into another bed. No snacks. And over here we have like TV. Okay, next we got a pizza box in the trash can because I don't know. We have a fridge. Then we have a whole stove. And then we have all the knives over here. We probably shouldn't use those because they aren't friendly. Next we got a sink. Next we got the sink. Next we got some Pringles. Then we have a coffee maker. And then we have a paper towel roll. And then there should be some soap. I don't know, but there's the faucets to turn it on. And then there's a microwave. And then there's cabinets. And that's basically the whole thing. It's just there's one more bedroom I have to show you. Okay, cut to the next bedroom. Okay, first we got a mirror. And it's like window. And we got a purse. We got a floor, and then we got a window blocked off. The mirror is pretty cool. Then we have a whole bed here. It's a suitcase, I think. Bag, a whole blanket. There's a whole wall. And then there's another mirror with stuff. There's a TV. And then there's a mirror. Then there's cabinets on the top. And then there's another window. So that's basically the whole camper. So I'm just going to go look around for stuff to do in the camper. I'm gonna go this way and ride my bike. Hope I don't get hurt. That bike ride was so intense. I saw people running. Probably should get some sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep. If anyone wants to come sleep, I'm sleeping, so yeah. I don't see you guys in the morning. I don't know if they're going to bed. They'll come in if they're going to bed. Okay, I'm in my bed. I'm going to bed down too. Okay. Okay, me too. Okay. Yeah, I'm sleeping with you tonight. I'm a campground owner, so I'll just sleep with you guys tonight. Oh, we are leaving tomorrow, and there's not gonna be much filming tomorrow. I'm sorry for the wait of getting videos out. It's so hard to plan for our second YouTube channel, Luigi Gaming. We have made a video on our new channel on this channel, and we will be starting to upload our gaming videos on that channel. I don't want to do any spoilers, but if you want some secrets, I would make some videos about that on the other channel. So go check out that channel, and yeah, we probably will do like a couple things. I don't really know, but yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Okay, now let's go on a GoPro. Yeah, our steering right here. Then we got the pedals down here. Let's get on to this go-kart ride. Let's go. Whoa! Fun! So much fun! Whoa! Whoa! Here we are, just riding down town. Oh yeah, that's good. Hey, there's swimming pool over there. Pretty nice. I think we should go fishing in the big lake. Hold on, let me show you the big lake. There's the big lake. It's very big. Yeah, I want to go fishing in that. Yeah, hey guys, and I know that was kind of a short video, maybe it's long, but if you liked it, we'll do a part 2 where we come back to the campground, and we'll film a little bit more of us, like maybe going fishing and stuff. So comment down below. Actually, you can't comment. Well, like this video if you want to see more of this camping trip. Okay, bye.